Hi, in this video, I want to string array convert in a array list. So now let's see how we can convert string of array into array list. So currently we need to string array str array and just add 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Currently string array have 5 elements. I want to convert in an array list. Create a list and we need to convert the array of string of array. Then we take here generic as a string and list from array. Arrays and as list. Arrays as list is one method and we just pass here array of string. Then import java util package and we just iterate the list string value list of array, add one sop inside the loop and value is printing. Now I run this program and verify. Now 1 2 3 4 5 it is printing here. Now string array is successfully converted in list of string. So here what we do here, create one instance of string of array, add 5 elements and that 5 elements I converted in a string list and using arrays dot as list method I pass here argument of string of array. Now this way I convert string of array into the list.